Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the COSUN 9958 Chinese phone. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! As you know, I try to get my hands on the rare phones so I can show them on here to all you lovely people. And I managed to get my hands on this one. It's a COSUN 9958 Chinese phone. I've looked on the internet and I can't find anything on this at all. I don't know when it was made or nothing. But I have noticed one thing, that it is quite canny, that it looks similar to the Nokia N95, which I have here. It's not exactly the same, but it's very much similar. But with the original Nokia, it will slide up and obviously slide down there as well, but this one won't go anywhere. It's just the thing is just stuck there. It's just for show. So let me know what you think about that. If it could be a rip-off of the Nokia N95. This is the silver N95. The camera looks even similar to that again. This is missing his back, original one. Yeah. So let me know what you think. Or it might be in a copy of the Nokia N95. Right, let's get into this phone then. Here's the front. Obviously we have the name, COSUN. We have the speaker on the top here. Obviously we have a screen. And we have the line 1 and line 2 buttons. And then we have the ring and the hang up. There. On the side here we have the volume rockers. A dedicated camera button. But here we have, I believe is the charging port. Yep, that's a charging port. On the bottom here we have nothing. But obviously the original one has got the charger underneath. There. On the other side we have this one here is the memory card slot. This one here is the charging port under this flap. There's the top, there's the bottom, and obviously there's the back. Show you the battery in there. Here's the battery. I haven't got the original charger, but I managed to charge it up on my charging plug, which I've showed on my video before. Alright, showed on my channel I should say. Right then, so let's turn them on then. This is unlocked. It will take 2 SIM cards. Like I said, it's unlocked, but it will work on the free network. At the moment I got a Vodafone SIM card in here. I will do a startup and shutdown at the end, and I'll ring the phone as well. But first of all, let's just have a look at the phone itself. the way the settings are and all that. We'll check out the camera. I don't think we can check out the camera because it needs a memory card in there, but I'll show you anyway. Right then, so let's go to menu. There's your menus. You have audio player, video recorder, camera, and all the other icons here. So if you tap on there, obviously they'll change. Extras, funds and games. You are. There's 2 games on there. Yeah. Go to settings. Obviously we have profiles. And we have shortcuts, file manager. Don't think there's anything on here because it's all there's no memory card in here. Go back. Right, let's try the ringtones a minute. General options. Customize. Tone setup. Right, here we go. So I start from number 1, you are. Enjoy these ringtones. All these Chinese phones got the same ringtones. Who remembers these? They're not bad. That one's just annoying. The rest are empty. Right, let's go back. Yeah. Here we have the, obviously we have the one there which says Voda. That's in the one SIM card slot. And then we have the SIM card 2 absent, meaning there's no SIM card in the other one. But I've tried the two of them and that they're both of them to work in the both SIM cards slots. Now we'll have a look at the camera. I don't think it's going to work out because there's no memory card in here. There you are. Memory card absent. So none of them will work, I don't think. It's telling me to put in a memory card. So obviously this phone I've not hardly got much memory at all. File manager. That's how much memory it's got left. Back. There you are. Right then we'll I think we'll ring it now, and then at the end then we'll do a startup and shutdown. So here we go. Let's ring him. Here we go then. It should ring now. Hey, nice little snowman. Yeah. It says here 1 missed call. I have tested it on calls and it works fine. In and out. The voice in and out. It's pretty good. Yeah, but other than that, it was a unusual looking phone, isn't it? I've never seen this before. Please leave me a message underneath to let us all know if you've ever owned one or if you know anything about them at all. It'd be very, very interesting to know what it is. And like I said, could it be a rip-off of the Nokia N95, which I think it possibly could be. Not a very good knockoff, mind. It's pretty poor knockoff, but it could be one. Right then, so let's turn him off and do a startup and shutdown then. Oh, right, it's telling me to unlock the phone. Right, you are. It's unlocked now. Right, so let's do a startup and shutdown. Turn him off a minute. Off camera. Right, right then, so there's right, just do a startup now and then we'll do a shutdown. And now the shutdown, here we go. And there it is. The COSUN 9958 but I'm just pretty sure it's trying to be a rip-off of the Nokia N95. I'm pretty sure of it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll try to bring you some more rare phones. I have got a couple here already lined up to come on here soon, so stay tuned for all them. And as usual, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much, and bye.